Okay, everyone. Bring it in quickly. This may be our last shot at this. As you're all aware, despite best efforts from the department so far, LSPD P1 officer Michael Rodriguez has been missing for over 48 hours now. He was last seen when on patrol with his partner, Officer Welch, on North Rockwood Terrace and 213 Park. They were separated in pursuit of a suspect in a narcotics deal in the vicinity of the apartment block. After Officer Rodriguez failed to report to dispatch, Officer Welch requested backup. Their initial search of the area turned up no signs of Rodriguez, and we've been on citywide tactical alert ever since. Officers have been deployed to canvass the neighborhoods and execute multiple search warrants in the 213 Park area since September 28th, along with available air support, canine searches, and investigators. Thanks to their double-duty late-night shifts and diligence in investigating the area, we have a few leads. Officer Rodriguez's cell phone movement has been traced to a garbage truck disposed of during its route through the 213 Park neighborhood. Telecom providers enabled us to isolate the truck and the precise route it followed. The last spot the phone was pinging in before it was picked up by the truck was in front of an apartment building situated squarely in the middle of the 213 Hillside Rollers turf. They operate out of Edgeware Apartments, the same block Officer Rodriguez was last seen near, and movements are traced around. We have reason to believe they're connected to, or at least have critical knowledge about Rodriguez's disappearance. The media is getting anxious around this story, and the whole city is watching. But we can narrow our search to the Edgeware Apartments block. Our second lead is placed on one Dylan Parker on the top of our suspect list. Records show that Parker has a history of extreme violence and a known dislike for authority figures, namely law enforcement and military. Parker's details and the layout of the apartment block have been uploaded to your tablets. Be very careful around this man. He is a very isolated, mean bastard, and most likely suffering from at least one serious mental health condition. If Parker is responsible for the disappearance, he has likely harmed Officer Rodriguez. Parker's rap sheet should be uploaded to your tablets. We know he is registered in the apartment building and will be armed and dangerous. Investigators have noted that he's been freelancing for the 213 Hillside Rollers in their operations. It could be prostitution rings or drugs, whatever it may be. Expect him to have a backup. Reports outline he's an avid collector of vintage weaponry. Paired with his disposition towards authorities and his mental state, makes for a high-level threat. Given the additional threats we know of, and the general lifestyle choice of many people in that part of town, it will not be easy to get to the heart of the building. I know you guys had a busy night recently, due to another operation in 213 Park. It's been a long month. I can see in this room we're all tired and ready to call it a night. But we need you guys to jump into the fray once more. The only way we'll find Officer Rodriguez is to go in and raid the premises. We've managed to get a warrant for the entire building. We're moving through room by room until we find Rodriguez. The residents won't be too happy to see us. Hillside Rollers and tenants alike. Expect resistance of all kinds. I want you all to stay close, watch each other's backs, and get in and out of there as safely and as quickly as you can with the rookie in tow. Not everyone living in this building is going to be banging for the Rollers. That said, we need to control everyone and pull this off quickly. So let's keep our use of force reasonable. I don't want to cause a riot by having people claim we shot up an apartment complex in the 213. If you have a question, make it count, because every second counts to save young Rodriguez's life. No? Good. Then I hope you understand the gravity of this for our department. I want equipment checks completed and everyone ready to load up in 20 minutes. Let's get our man.
Right with you.
Talk to lead. We have reason to believe suspects have planted traps on site and will remain uncooperative. Secure the area and stay alert.
I knew they were gonna come for you one day. Look at the big boy. Raise your hand now. Now.
Police, stay where you are.
Securing the device.
Get down.
Post up and cover.
Doing it. Got that gun, but I got hands.
Wanted.
Got it. Try me. I dare you.
Police, get your hands up! Hands up! Drop your hands
Who
up!
you ain't got the guts? I'd rather die standing.
Opening on the left.
Nobody.
Safe. No traps.
You ain't taking me
We're
alive.
clear.
Better have an army. Hell no. Make me.
Fall in.
I got you.
Try me. I dare you.
Police, hands up!
Police, don't
Get
move.
down! I want to see hands!
Get
Get down!
Your hands
No
up.
armas! Nada!
Cover the area.
No warrant.
Moving up.
Civilian restraint.
Good to go.
Talk here. Trailer's ready.
Wait!
Mirror it.
Roger. Mirrors ready. Opening on the right. No device here. No contact.
Open and clear.
Affirmative.
Moving.
Opening on the left.
Put the knife on the ground. What's the knife? Police, I want to see those hands.
I got nothing here.
You think I'm scared? Fuck you!
Talk. It's Rodriguez. Send trailers now.
Element, this is Talk.
Open and clear
Tim,
the flashbang.
standing by. Secure the area and we'll evacuate the officer.
Swing with me. Push with me.
I'm getting down for something.
Opening on the
Drop
right.
me, I'm
Put the
done.
knife on the ground!
Shoot me then.
Empty over here.
Turn around. Keep your hands up. Don't you fucking move.
Ah!
Entry team to talk. Suspect standing by for transport.
This is Talk. Keep going.
Need you to
Check it with
slide
the
over.
mirror.
I got the mirror.
You gonna move?
Cover the area.
Roger.
It's open. We're good to go.
Mirror for contacts.
Yep. Wands ready. Multiple openings. It's good.
Just taking orders.
One suspect in sight.
Heard that one before.
Open and deploy flashbangs.
Flashing.
Going in.
Open it on the left. Open it on the right.
I don't want to hear it.
Nothing.
Get down. Don't move.
I'm not putting anything
Search it.
down.
Hands. Now.
Don't touch me, asshole. Can't hide forever. Down.
Provide support on me.
LSPD, hands up.
Post up and provide cover.
Confirmed. Shit. Locked.
Use the mirror. Check for targets.
Acknowledged. Mirror ready. Looking good, sir. Room clear.
Blow it with the shotgun. Clear it.
Swap with me.
Moving.
2 on the sweep.
Fall in.
You got point.
Police, hands up now!
Fuck yourself! Don't let me go! Put your hands up! We no, how you get Police, drop it! Police, hands up! LSPD!
Stay where you are.
Get down! Now! LSPD, hands up! Get down now!
Get down on your... We have a suspect in cuffs. Down on your knees! Hands up! Do it now!
Doc reporting.
Turn
We're
around.
ready for him.
Easy!
Ready. Comply.
Entry team, this is Doc. Roger, trailers
Open and
inbound.
Ready.
Put them in.
Opening on the left. Opening on the right. I got nothing here.
Stay down and turn around.
No way to get there. Let's switch.
I didn't do anything!
Element, to talk.
Opening on the right. Nothing.
Doc to Element. Trailers inbound.
I got nothing here.
Element to talk. Weapons safe. On my 6.
I got you.
Hands up! Now! Police, get down!
Open, bang, and clear.
Done.
Pull the trigger! You might as well give up!
Bang
They take me, I ain't saying shit. Wipe out. Put the knife down. Put the knife down on the ground. Put the knife
Lights
on the
down.
ground.
Need you to follow my direction.
Come out and get down!
They're good.
I have to cut you for our safety.
Talk. Civilian is secure. Element
Doc
to talk.
reporting. Beauty. Keep them coming.
Turn around and stay still.
You can't do this, man. I can't go away.
Good to go.
Doc to entry team.
Weapons
Great
located
work.
on me.
Keep going.
Right with you. Safe. Lead to talk.
Got a suspect down.
This is Doc. Proceed with your mission.
Post up.
secured.
Getting into position.
Unlock.
Check it with the wand.
On it. Wand ready. Looks clean. I got nothing.
Take it down and clear.
Affirmative.
Breaching.
Block with me.
Moving.
Looks clear over here, boss.
Cover this area.
Moving up.
Use the wand. Check for targets.
Locked. Wand is ready. Do it.
Mirror for suspects. Post up and cover the area.
Copy.
Wand it.
Doing it. Got the wand. More than one opening. Looks good. Eyes on one suspect.
I want to see two in a flash.
I'm on it. Deployed and ready. I'll do it. Deploying explosives.
Put your hands up and get down. LSPD. Let me see those fucking hands up. Listen to me! Don't take this any further!
Entry team to talk. Suspect restrained and under our control.
Talk to entry. Excellent work. Don't stop now.
Got him. Hope that vest is thick.
You think this means you won? You ain't shit.
Lead, this is Talk. Trailers en route. Element, this is Talk. Trailers incoming.
Security.
Lead to talk. Weapons secure.
Entry team, this is Talk. Collect what you can and keep moving.
Stay on me.
On you.
You think you can fuck with the 213?
Open the door and flash it.
Copy.
Flash. Switching me.
Nothing here, sir.
Nothing here, sir.
Provide cover.
Getting into position.
Mirror it.
No problem. I got the wand. Several openings. No traps visible. No contact.
Move in and clear.
Got it.
Let's switch.
Reaching!
Opening on the left.
Through it here. Securing the area for any contact.
Go fuck yourself. You want me down? Come do it.
Fall in behind me.
On your six.
Check it with the mirror.
On it. Mirrors ready.
Ain't nobody saving you.
Hell no.
Negative on any devices. Got one here. Nothing in hand.
Hey! What's your badge number?
Fuck you.
Blow the lock and clear it.
Getting into place. Swap.
Flying officer, I'm not one of them.
Got it.
area for any contact.
Mirror for contacts.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
In the way, Chief.
Civilian ready to go.
Entry team to talk.
Element ready.
Civilian ready for transport.
Secured.
Talk to lead. Notifying trailers.
Go home,
You see what's going on out there? It's every man
Nothing.
for
We're
himself.
good. I got two. One's got a gun.
Stack up.
Affirmative. Shit. It's locked.
Yeah, officer, these cuffs are kind of tight.
Use the shotgun and throw stairs.
Put it down!
Moving into handcuffs.
Nothing here, sir.
Turn around
Please,
slowly.
I can't feel my
You have
hands.
the right to remain silent. Anything you do or say can be used against you.
Good to go.
Civilian ready for
Talk
transport.
to lead.
Override.
Notifying
Element
trailers.
to talk. Suspect ready.
Talk here. Trailers en route.
Your methods of capture were frankly
Kinky enough for you, weirdo? Want it a little tighter?
You good?
Drop the weapon! Element to talk. Suspect is down, requesting Thames.
Element, this is Talk. Notifying trailers.
Begin a search. Secure any
Secure any
area.
area for any
This
contact.
is Talk. Good job, everyone. Roll in.